Have you ever thought how fishing is similar to taking care of your roof? Like fishing, roofing requires an experienced guide to help you through the process. And the first step of that process is a roof inspection. There are several reasons to have your roof inspected regularly. Reason number 1, early detection of potential issues. Reason number 2, expands the lifespan of your roof. Reason number 3, prevents water damage. Protection for your home and belongings. Reason number 5, ensure your family's safety. Reason number 6, peace of mind. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. Overall, regular roof inspections can help prevent major damage, save you money, and help provide assurance that your roof is safe and secure.